Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking air fried jerky chicken with collard greens. Okay, let's get cooking. And here are just a few seasonings I will be using to season my collard greens. Okay, let's get ready to saute our vegetables and get ready to season our vegetables. Take your little olive oil and put all your vegetables in your pressure cooker. Okay, put just a pinch, a little sea salt in your vegetables. That will bring out the flavor of your onions. And that will cause your collard greens to be very delicious. Also add some celery for that extra flavor. Okay, let's put our greens into our pressure cooker. At this time, stir your greens so all those seasons and flavor will coat your greens. Okay, add about a cup of water. You might want to add a cup and a half. It all depends on how much greens you are cooking. Now, let's add our apple cider vinegar. This will bring lots of flavor to your greens. And now we are going to set our pressure cooker. And I will cook these greens for about 1 hour. It all depends on how tender you want your greens. After 1 hour, let's check and see how tender they are. Oh yes, they are definitely done. And they are very, very tender. Okay, you guys, let's get ready to cook that jerky chicken. And this is what I use. Jerky season, which is very, very flavorful. I also use a little more cayenne pepper, and I use paprika. Don't forget, add your herbs. It brings on lots of flavor. Okay, season your chicken, and after that, we'll be cooking this chicken in the air fryer. It only takes about 40 to 45 minutes. Wow, now you see crispy air fried chicken with that jerky taste. And yes, that cayenne pepper, wow, it brings out the flavor. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Until we meet again, I am going to set my table and I'm going to enjoy. Thank you again for visiting my channel.